This is Marlo with Soundoftristate at our Concord location, and today we have a 2025 Blazer EV that we just added some bass to. The customer wanted to add some bass to it, so very nice vehicle. So we did do a Rockford amplifier, and the bass knob is right here for us. Here we have the P2, 12-inch P2 subwoofer, and we also used audio controlled LC2I, and the amplifier is right there. So that's eventually he's going to come back and we're going to do the door speakers. So that is the 700 R2 705 that's in there now with the LC2I. So packing some nice sounds here.